This is the Øresund Bridge on the Baltic Sea. It connects the Danish capital of Copenhagen with the Swedish city of Malmö. In the distance the bridge seems to disappear into the Baltic Sea, but this is a tunnel. Some interesting things about this bridge are that it was built on time and on budget. The bridge was also the backdrop for the Nordic noir crime series The Bridge. This is the London Millennium Bridge, so called because it opened in June 2000. It was designed by architect Norman Foster. When the bridge first opened, pedestrians experienced some swaying and movement in the deck. Over the next 2 days, the swaying and movement got worse, so the bridge was closed. Over the next 2 years, engineers worked to install dampers to stabilise the bridge. The Millau Viaduct Bridge crosses the Tarn River Valley near Millau in France. It was designed by architect Norman Foster. It's the tallest bridge in the world, with some of the towers standing 343 metres high. Gateshead is on the Tyne River in northern England near Newcastle. This bridge is unusual because the pedestrian deck can be tilted at an angle of 40 degrees to the horizontal to allow small boats to pass under it. The tilting mechanism is operated by a system of hydraulics and electric pumps. The Bosphorus is a strait of water in the city of Istanbul in Turkey. This bridge, also known as the 15th of July Martyrs Bridge, and also unofficially as the first bridge, is 1,560 metres long and is unique in that it links the continents of Europe and Asia. The Rama VIII Bridge in Bangkok, Thailand is named after a former king. It crosses the Chaya Phraya River. Construction began in 1999 and was completed in 2002. It is a cable-stayed bridge with a single tower in an inverted Y shape. The Puente de la Unidad, or Viaducto de la Unidad, is an interesting and controversial bridge located in the city of Monterrey in Mexico. It is interesting for its design. It's controversial for 2 reasons. First of all, it crosses the Santa Catarina River, which for most of the year is dry, and the second reason is that most of the cost of building the bridge was borne by the business class of the people of Monterrey. The Golden Gate Bridge is an iconic bridge in California. It connects San Francisco with Marin County by crossing the Pacific Ocean at San Francisco Bay. It was opened on the 27th of May 1937 and is 2,737 metres long. Its colour is international orange. A lumberjack's candle is formed by splitting a log 4 ways lengthwise. A fire is then lit inside the hollow, and the fire is used for either cooking or light. This bridge is called a lumberjack's candle bridge as a reference to timber workers in northern Finland. At the top of the 2 main columns of the bridge are 36 sodium fluorescent lights within 2 pillars, which are lit both at night and during the day and symbolise the light of a lumberjack's candle. The Alamillo Bridge is in Seville in Andalusia in Spain. It crosses the Canal de Alfonso XIII. It was opened in 1992. It is 250 metres long and 140 metres high. Red crabs are endemic to the small island of Christmas Island off the coast of Western Australia. Every year the red crabs emerge from the forests and make their way across the roads to the beaches to breed. As an environmental protection for the crabs, special bridges were built to allow them to cross the road safely. This is a bridge in Paris, France. It is famous for the padlocks. It has become the custom for young lovers and newlyweds to buy a padlock and engrave it with their initials and then lock it to the railings of the bridge and throw the keys into the river. Periodically the Parisian authorities need to either remove the padlocks or remove the panels holding the padlocks, as the weight of the padlocks is affecting the structural integrity of the bridge. The Ponte JK Bridge in Brasilia, in Brazil, is named after a former president who served from 1956 to 1961. It crosses Lake Paranoa and links suburbs of Brazil with the airport. It is 1,200 metres long and 24 metres wide.